If you're a creator, a student, or just someone who loves diving deep into videos, today's video is for you. I'm about to show you a tool that'll change how you consume and create content forever. DeepSeek AI. Imagine taking a YouTube video, effortlessly summarizing it, and turning that summary into an entirely new video. Sounds like magic, right? Let's dive in and unlock this AI superpower. Now, you might be wondering, what the heck is DeepSeek AI? It's an advanced AI platform that uses natural language processing to truly understand and break down text. Whether it's YouTube, video transcripts, or articles, DeepSeek AI can analyze and summarize them in a way that's both smart and intuitive. But it doesn't stop there. It can answer questions, create summaries, and so much more, making it a total game changer for creators and anyone looking to make the most of their time online. All right, let's get started. First things first, we need a video to work with. Let's head over to YouTube, and I've got a fun one in mind. Isaac's video on how he created AI viral videos. It's informative, it's engaging, and it's exactly the type of video that'll show us the power of DeepSeek. The trick to a good summary: picking a video that's both interesting and has a clear message. You don't want to get lost in a sea of random content. Next, we need the transcript. Lucky for us, YouTube makes it pretty easy. All you need to do is click on the Show More button under the video, and you'll see an option that says Transcript. Click that, and boom, now we've got the text version of the video ready to work with. Now, here's the fun part. We're heading over to DeepSeek AI. Go ahead and copy the transcript, then paste it right into the DeepSeek input box. Within seconds, DeepSeek is going to analyze the content, breaking it down to understand the essence of the video and pull out all the important details for us. Here comes the magic. Hit that summarize button, and just like that, DeepSeek AI processes all that info and spits out a clean, concise summary. What's great is that it doesn't just give you random info. It actually captures the key takeaways and the most important points of the video. So you get the essence without all the fluff. It's like getting the highlights reel of the entire video. But hold up, we're not done yet. AI is smart, but it's still your content. So go ahead and review the summary. Maybe you want to tighten it up or change the tone to match your own style. DeepSeek gives you the flexibility to refine the summary however you see fit. Tweak it, add your own flair, and make it perfect for your needs. Here's where the fun really begins: turning that summary into new content. Now, you've got this amazing, concise summary. Why not use it as a script for your own video? You could narrate it, turn it into a short explainer, or use it as the backbone for an entirely new video that builds on the original idea. For example, let's say we want to take Isaac's AI video summary and turn it into our own take on how AI is changing the world of viral videos. The possibilities are endless. But wait, here's where it gets even more exciting. To take your content to the next level, why not create your own AI-powered talking avatars with Wondershare Virbo? Imagine having a customized avatar narrating your video based on the summary you just created. Virbo's AI video generation lets you bring your content to life, whether it's through photo avatars with motion, AI voice cloning, or even AI video translation to reach a global audience. With Virbo, you can truly create next-level videos that engage your viewers in a whole new way. And there you have it. DeepSeek AI is your ultimate tool for summarizing YouTube videos and creating something totally fresh. Whether you're a creator, a student, or just looking to save some time, this AI can seriously boost your content creation game. But don't forget about Wondershare Virbo to bring your new videos to life with AI-powered avatars, voice cloning, and more. If you're ready to start creating with Virbo, check out the link in the description for all the tools that can take your content to the next level. Go ahead, try it out and see what you can come up with using DeepSeek AI and Wondershare Virbo. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an update. Catch you in the next one.